Hey everybody, welcome back to MacCustoms. Today my plan is to take this old burn barrel that we have and make it flush with the ground here. See how it works out, I guess. The plan is I have some spray paint here. I'm just going to mark out where I want it, which is right here. I'm going to start digging, I guess. Just trying to make the hole enough to sit this in and have it flush on the ground. See how it goes. Right. So this is where I'm going to start digging. I guess first, probably best off starting with the pick, just going from there. And yeah, I'm going to need to make it probably, I don't know, 16 inches or so deep, I guess. See how it goes. I'm sure I'm going to get Rye's help very soon anyway. All right, so I basically have the outline picked out, and it's already a lot of hard work. I'll give this a couple swings, will ya? Oh. I come across a bunch of worms there, so I had to grab those and put them up in the bin we have going for night crawlers. No point in wasting them. This is not much fun. I'm not very deep down. I'm getting there though, I guess. Almost have a wheelbarrow full, so got some material out of it, I suppose. Check out my progress there. Not very deep, but I felt like I worked pretty hard. Well, I did get a full load in the barrel over there, so that's good too. Move that somewhere else in the yard, and yeah, I'm probably going to take a break for now, go find something else that's way more fun to do, and then come back to this later.
Hey guys, I cut a hole in the bottom of this. It's an old compressor tank. And I just cut this little piece of pipe from a tent garage. And that's just to feed air into the bottom of the fire so it burns better. And yeah, the idea is that I'm going to make a cover for this. And when I'm mowing the grass, I'll be able to drive right over top of this with my lawn tractor and won't have to whippersnip around the outside of it or anything like that. That's the plan for now.
So we added a grate in here, guys. We just took some old pieces of scrap metal that we had, some tubing, welded it together there so it fit in nice and tight. And that, I believe, is maybe an old piece of metal from an oil tank like the protector for an oil tank. We added the pipe there. What we're going to do too is this pipe is going to be something that we can remove. So when we're mowing, we can just pull that out, mow right over the top of it, and keep on going. The reason we did the grate here is we started talking about it and we were thinking that it may end up getting groundwater. So we just wanted to keep everything lifted off the bottom there. And I think it's going to work out pretty good. So we're just going to wait till we're able to have a fire and give it a try.
Hey guys, we had a fire pit, or had a fire in the fire pit last night. And anyway, just wanted to show you how good it burned. And it's not really any water in it, but worked out pretty good. Those are all nice big logs that burnt up. Well, that's what's left.